In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print barcode labels using Shopify. If you're running a store and need a seamless way to generate barcode labels, stick around as we go through the process step by step. We'll ensure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently printing out those labels in no time. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. First, head on over to your store's homepage. This is where it all starts. Once there, you'll want to look over at the left-hand menu and find the settings option. Clicking on this is going to open a range of other options to fine-tune your store's functionality. Now, within the settings menu, look for the apps and sales channels section. This area is crucial as it manages all the apps and sales channels that your Shopify store utilizes. Once you're there, what you'll want to do is click on the Shopify App Store. This will take you to where all the magic happens. Here in the App Store's search bar, type in Retail Barcode Labels. This search will bring up a list of apps related to your query. In the results, look for the app titled Retail Barcode Labels and click on it. This app is going to be our primary tool for generating barcode labels. When you're on the apps page, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click on that. Follow any prompts that might appear to finalize the installation process. Depending on your settings, Shopify may require you to confirm the installation or go through some permission settings. With the app now installed, navigate back to your Shopify admin and you should see the Retail Barcode Labels app listed under your installed apps. Click on Get Started to begin creating your labels. Next, you'll want to click on Create Barcodes. It's here that you start to make labels that are customized to your store's needs. The next part is about setting up your label template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Be sure the name you choose is recognizable, especially if you plan on creating multiple templates. After naming your template, you'll be given options for different templates. Choose the one that suits your products best. Some might focus on size, while others offer varied design elements. Pick one that aligns with your branding needs. Once you've selected your template, click on Create Template. This saves your design and you should be ready to print. Make sure your printer settings match up with your chosen template to avoid any issues during the printing process. And there you have it. You've now created and printed your barcode labels using Shopify. Hopefully this video has simplified the process for you, making it easy to manage your inventory and sales more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy selling.